In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change resolution on Samsung Odyssey G5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly manage the resolution on your Odyssey G5. I'm gonna teach you how to change it within the monitor itself and how to control it within Windows. This will allow you to browse through various different resolution options or let the monitor decide automatically for you so you can use the native resolution supported, like if you have the wide version of the G5. So the primary way to do this is going to be through the monitor options. So by using the joystick or the buttons below the monitor, you will be able to find screen size. Usually this is going to be in the first tabs. So if you go into the first tabs and you go all the way down, you will find screen size. So as you can see, you can choose the best screen size and ratio. Like I mentioned, the primary way to use the G5 if you have the wide version of this monitor is just going to be to set it to wide. This will take up the entirety of the monitor and make use of the extra space. But of course, you can set it to the standard 16:9 or even 4:3. You will be able to use it on any of these formats, and you can change between them by choosing the option here. Now, if this is grayed out, don't worry, you will still be able to change it, and I'm going to teach you how. I just want to bring your attention to how to properly set up your monitor. A lot of times, the reasons why it can be grayed out is because the connectors are not set up properly. So you have to make sure that you aren't plugging your monitor into your motherboard. So if you notice that the cables are going from your motherboard into your monitor, this setup is not correct. You want to have the cables going into your GPU. So usually if you have a dedicated GPU, you will have this metal backplate, and all you have to do is plug them into any of these ports. Of course, if you don't have a dedicated GPU, then you can use your motherboard, but if you have a dedicated one, then you should not use your motherboard to connect the monitor. So make sure that the cables are set up properly. The next thing to do outside of the monitor itself is to right-click your Windows desktop, go into display settings, choose the Samsung monitor that you want to manage, and if you scroll down, you will be able to change the resolution within Windows. So make sure to change it in the monitor and then Windows. I hope I was able to help you on how to change resolution on Samsung Odyssey G5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.